The Spectra has been an amazing machine.
I use my Spectra system 6 days a week.
I use Spectra almost 3 or 4 times a day.
I use it every day, all day.
The Lutronic Spectra has been incredibly reliable.
The Spectra is very easy to use. It is very user-friendly.
It's a very easy, versatile system to use.
Articulating arm works beautifully.
I find the articulated arm one of the best I've used.
This machine is versatile that you can treat so many skin conditions.
We're doing the Spectra peel.
I have had amazing results with acne with Spectra.
It's very good for melasma treatment.
The post-inflammatory pigmentation, melasmas, photomelanosis, it used to take ages to clear them off with chemical peels alone.
In the past, I did dermabrasion and then other lasers.
With Spectra and Eco 2, the treatment are much faster, much safer and much consistent results.
She has had this persistent melasma, and she has had just incredible results, almost immediately and ongoing.
Skin is smoother sometimes, pore size reduction occurs. They often comment that foundation doesn't need to be worn anymore, that they look like they have an airbrushed look to them.
Pretty much that's all they want right now.
We're doing some of the lighter peels with the 532 wavelength.
If you decide to add tattoo removal to your practice and you're serious about it, then you have to have the equipment to handle the majority of the color.
It affords you 4 different wavelengths.
We find it very useful for the traditional tattoo removal.
Having one device that's capable of treating the full spectrum of tattoo colors is essential.
I strongly recommend purchasing the pulse dye handpieces. The 650 pulse dye handpiece for you greens and your 585 pulse dye handpiece to hit your sky blues.
I love my Spectra because I can change settings on the go.
I'm able to use lower fluences than some of my colleagues, which translates to less adverse outcomes.
And people like that. They want to get something done. They don't want a lot of downtime.
They've been through the other things. There is no downtime. There is no pain with Spectra.
With Spectra, they just love it. They don't have any downtime, so they just love it.
Some of my tattoo patients who I was treating with an alternative device were commenting on how much more clearance they were getting with the Spectra.
The Spectra has had a very positive impact on my business.
It really is like a standard tool that you can't go without.